2 things every man should do daily to keep his masculinity intact forever. Have you ever wondered why your masculinity is weakening? Do you know that some of your daily habits might be hiding your real strength? If you make these 2 habits a part of your life, not only will your masculinity remain intact forever, but your life will also be filled with happiness, energy, and peace. We will tell you the symptoms, causes, and treatment of this issue. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Health Bridge Europe, your very own channel. We are the guardians of your health. Health Bridge Europe reveals the secrets to your well-being. So stay with us, because here we talk about health, truth, and you. Today we will share with you, based on research from expert European doctors, 2 extremely simple but powerful habits that can change every man's life. Millions of men around the world suffer from loss of masculinity, fatigue, and mental stress. Many people don't understand the real causes. Most think that loss of masculinity is only due to age or genetics, but research has revealed a completely different truth. According to a study conducted at the European Institute of Hormonology, Remain Steve Mater, the root cause of male weakness is not physical, but mental and lifestyle-related problems. Yes, the same 2 fundamental pillars, balanced diet and mental peace, which are being ignored in today's fast-paced life. See, same times, the 2 basic daily habits every man should adopt. 1. Balanced diet. According to European nutrition experts, protein, vitamin D, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for male health. A clinical study conducted in Germany found that men who consume fresh vegetables, fruits, fish, and nuts at least 5 days a week show much better signs of masculinity. Along with 30 minutes of daily walking or light exercise, a healthy diet boosts the male hormone testosterone. European doctors' recommendation: include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fish in your daily meals. Avoid junk food, excessive fats, and artificial sugars. 2. Mental calmness and stress reduction. Research in Europe's mental health sector shows that stress, anxiety, and lack of sleep are the biggest enemies of masculinity. Spanish psychologist Dr. Enrico Ramos, in his research, stated that just 10 minutes of daily meditation, deep breathing, or mindfulness can significantly boost male energy. Lack of sleep also damages masculinity. According to European medical studies, 7 to 8 hours of proper sleep is essential. Symptoms and causes. If you are experiencing the following symptoms, you might need to adopt these 2 basic daily habits. Physical weakness and fatigue, low sexual desire, mental stress and anxiety, insomnia or poor sleep, irritability and anger, memory loss and lack of focus. These symptoms are often caused by dietary imbalance and mental stress, which damage masculinity. Treatment and solution. Dietary treatment. Include in your diet almonds, walnuts, and walnut oil. Green leafy vegetables like spinach and bananas. Fish and seafood. Sunlight for vitamin D. Mental treatment. Do 10 to 15 minutes of daily meditation. Practice deep breathing exercises. Manage proper sleep routines. Do light exercise at least 3 times a week, such as walking. Avoid negative thoughts and anxiety. Consult a psychologist if needed. Questions for you. 1. Have you ever felt that your daily habits are damaging your masculinity? 2. Are you ready to bring back your power and confidence by adopting just these 2 simple habits? Now is the time to take control of your life. These 2 easy habits can keep your masculinity safe forever. But just knowing isn't enough. You must implement them practically. From today, improve your diet, and dedicate a few minutes daily to mental peace. If you like this video, share it so every man can reclaim his strength.